Once upon a time, in a beautiful enchanted orchard, Snow White happily picked apples every morning. These apples were special. They shimmered in the sunlight and tasted sweeter than candy. But one chilly morning, something strange happened. Snow White reached for an apple, but it was frozen solid. Confused, Snow White checked another apple, then another. Every apple in the orchard was covered in thick ice. Worried, she called her animal friends. Birds chirped nervously, and the rabbits hopped anxiously around her feet. "We must find out what's freezing the apples," Snow White said softly, gently touching the icy fruit. At the same moment, far away in Arendelle, Elsa received a message from a worried forest bird. Elsa knew right away she had to help. Using her ice magic, Elsa traveled quickly to Snow White's orchard. When Elsa arrived, Snow White greeted her warmly. "Elsa, thank goodness you're here. My beautiful apples are frozen. Can you help?" Elsa smiled kindly. "Of course, Snow White. Let's figure this out together." They began searching the orchard for clues. Elsa noticed tiny frosty footprints leading toward the deeper, darker part of the forest. They carefully followed the prints until they found a small, icy cave. Inside the cave was a shy little creature, a frost pixie named Pip. He sat sadly, hugging his knees, shivering. "Oh dear, what's wrong?" Elsa asked gently. "I'm so sorry," Pip sniffed. "I didn't mean to freeze the apples. My magic has gone wild because I'm scared." "Scared of what?" asked Snow White softly, kneeling down beside him. "My family. They got lost in the orchard," Pip sobbed. "I've been looking everywhere, but I can't find them. My fear made my magic freeze everything." Snow White smiled warmly, comforting Pip. "Don't worry, we'll help you find them." Elsa used her magic to create glowing ice lanterns to guide their way through the orchard. Snow White and her animal friends called out gently for Pip's family. As they searched, Elsa noticed the orchard was becoming colder. They had to hurry before the frost spread further. Suddenly, Snow White's animal friends chirped excitedly. They had found tiny footprints. Everyone quickly followed the tracks, hopeful and determined. Deep within a hidden glade, they found Pip's family, huddled together and lost, but safe. Pip rushed forward, hugging his family joyfully. "You're safe. I'm so happy." With Pip's fear gone, Elsa gently reminded him about his magic. "Now, Pip, can you fix the orchard?" "I'll try," Pip said bravely. He closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and softly whispered a magical spell. The ice on the apples slowly melted, dripping away like morning dew. Warmth and life returned to the enchanted orchard. "You did it!" Snow White cheered happily. Pip beamed proudly, his magic now calm and gentle. "From now on," Elsa suggested kindly, "if you need help, just call for your friends. You're never alone." "Thank you," Pip said, smiling brightly. With the mystery solved, Snow White invited everyone back to her cottage for apple pies made with the now perfect apples. Together, they laughed, ate delicious pies, and celebrated their friendship and bravery. As Elsa prepared to leave, Snow White hugged her warmly. "Thank you, Elsa, for saving my orchard." "It was teamwork," Elsa replied, smiling gently. "Together, friends can overcome any trouble." And from that day, Pip and his family visited Snow White often, always careful with their magic. The enchanted orchard flourished, and everyone lived happily ever after.